Welcome back to my Rice Around the World, one pot, anti-inflammatory style, Ghanaian Jollof Rice. So we will be using the regular ingredients that we've been using all along for our anti-inflammatory twist. I am using paprika, I'm using some curry powder, I'm using Jamaican curry powder, I'm using some cumin, some paprika, some obviously salt and pepper. I'm adding some vegetables. By using olive oil. This week we're adding some chicken. So this is your ingredients for Ghanaian jollof this week. And so we have tomato paste, we have some chopped onions, we have a mixture of brown basmati as well as white basmati long grain rice. I am mixing the rice this week. This is a mixture of garlic and ginger. This is Scotch bonnet pepper and bay leaf. And here we have some cumin, some thyme, paprika, and here this is where we have some chicken, some seasoned or marinated.